So what we doing?
Oh, just checking some math of everything that's gotten done so far before we get started over there. Putting up our last post. Finished cutting these poles off for length.
All right. Zach was saying something about one of them was too short.
Yeah.
It's that little boy over there.
That little one there with the strap on it, he says is a little bit short, so we'll have to figure out what to do with that.
All right. Sounds good. He's cutting out what?
He's cutting out the little bit of metal in the way.
Oh. That fun up there, Tim?
You know it.
See if we can get Timothy up here. There it is.
So I don't know whether, because I didn't even square it up yet.
Oh, okay.
I just plopped it up there because I really wanted to get something done. But with your battery chainsaw, you could probably square it up. Probably just mark it wherever the center is. Some reason or another, I don't know if I cut my flat, it's not perfect, but it doesn't sit all the way on that post, but it is what it is. No. But yeah, I did leave it, like I said, 2 inches long for squaring up the end. Yep.
Probably just fold this thing down.
Yep. Yeah, it should be good where it's at.
We just have log bolts go in. Like
Yeah.
timber.
There's 10 and 12 inch just right above the kiln. The long ones are right here in the front, and the shorter ones are like, you gotta walk in there just a little bit, and there's like some 10 inch.
Hey, yeah, I guess I don't know how long these are. Okay, well I guess that's my motor operations then I'll get.
And what I'm hoping is that if this post is short, it's short only like 3 inches
I think
or
it's
less.
gonna be probably getting cut, honestly. I don't know how much shorter it is than these ones.
Well, right now it's like 8 inches short.
Oh, 8 inches. Oh, it's gonna be like.
I was hoping that it was gonna be, because like right now I can add on
Who
to
is
it.
it?
The way this is cut, I can just put like a 3-inch square block on. The other one is for here, which now this turns out being high. That we're gonna let that cantilever to that roof as well, because then we can frame on top of the 2 headers. Yeah.
No, there's the
Black timber screws. Charlie, you want to grab the black timber screws? The black timber screws for logs.
All right. So what are they about to do, Zach?
I'll get the second set of headers. We got to get a post there, that back header, and then this next front header. I guess as it turns out, I made these posts like 6 inches too tall. It's not planing in, so Josh is gonna actually figure it out. We're gonna have to pull this header back up, cut it down, which I'm glad that's actually tall, because it's gonna line it up a lot closer to that post there.
Oh, nice.
So we gotta do some odds and ends, trying to get everything in order correctly, but I got the rafter logs in front, so I'm gonna start working on like those flat sweep cuts. I gotta make a bunch of those on the rafters, so I'm gonna work on that now.
All right, Zach, what you got going on over here today?
I'm getting our layout done. So these are our rafter beams here, and so I got the top side flat. Now what I'm doing is cutting our notches. All right, so while Josh and Tim are working on the header beams that we have up in place, I'm getting all of our rafters all done. So we already once cut them flat on the sawmill. This is going to be the top side that our framing will be built off of. Now on the bottom side, I got to cut some flat pockets, and these flat sweeps over here are going to be where they sit on the log header beams. So I got just cut a couple more, and then we'll put these up one by one on each side. And again, doing my layouts from the ends like always for my center point, so I'm getting that all marked out. Okay, so what we're doing now is cutting more sweeps for our intersection parts of the timber framing. So this side, I already had Tim help me snap the line. So what I have here on the end is my layout. So we got a 9-inch tall. So essentially I'm cutting like a 9x9 square where the joinery's at. I got my lines, I made my little curves. So I'm gonna have Tim help me snap this line. Now, it's really important when you snap your line, it'll make sense in just a moment. And that one's gonna snap a little weird because every time big notch in it. So I'm gonna get the string nice and tight. And I got the same layout on each end. Get it into my little hooks. Pull my string over. So now, once again, so our trick is here, we want to snap a line that is going to be level. You're gonna need a second person. They're gonna pull the string out, and with a straight line, I have to tell them to go up or down. So go ahead and pull it out. Okay, go down. Whoop. Down a hair. Down a hair. So I'm eyeballing the straight line for this all the way to the end. Let go.